Students, we were discussing the first chapter question answers. We had already the first part we discussed. The second part, you see, explain the following. Map is given there in the textbook. Okay, conventional symbols. It is also given. Scale. It is also given. You can define. Explain that. Plan also given in the page number. Yes or no? Plan. This but page number 8 it is given. Scale also given. Map also given. Then conventional symbols. According to that, you write the answers. Give reasons for each of the following. Earth cannot be represented in its actual size. That is also given. Yes or no? So you find out these answers are easy ones. Anything difficult one? Map and sketch. Distinguish map and sketch. You can statement scale and representative fraction. You can primary and secondary division of a linear scale. That is also easy. Cardinal and intermediate reduction. That is also you can understand. Large scale and small scale maps. That is also given. A Garban and host. Garban and host. Garban and host. It is given. I think. Where is it is? Garban and in last page number 12 it is given block mountains. The uplifted blocks are block mountains or host, then in the intervening dropped blocks are called Raban. That is only difference. Okay, there is no the only one answer is there. Other things you can do. Now we had already started landforms. We had discussed the types of landforms: endogenous process, exogenous process, and then fold mountains. We had already started with the fold mountains, I hope. I hope it is you understood that. We had already discussed what is fold mountains, block mountains, volcanic mountains. Okay, now just to go through the first one. What is a fold mountain? Fold mountains. Tectonic plates are huge rocky slabs of Earth's lithosphere, its crust and upper mantle. Tectonic plates are constantly in motion, shifting against each other in fault zones, falling beneath one another in a process called subduction. Crashing against one another at convergent plate boundaries and tearing apart from each other at divergent plate boundaries. So what happens? See, this is how the fold mountains happens. As a result, what happen? The tectonic forces forces are fold mountains are formed by the horizontal forces of compression. We had already, due to compression, the horizontal rocks strata crumbles into serious upward and downward folds called anticlines and synclines respectively. This we had already discussed and seen. That is what anticlines and synclines. Then we had seen the young fold and old fold mountains also. That is what fold mountains. Then what is a block mountains? Block mountains are created when large areas are widely cracked or broke down up by folds and displaced vertically. The uplifted blocks are termed as a host and lowered blocks are termed as a graben. On the first chapter we had already seen this one last first chapter, that block mountain we had seen this host and what is the difference between host and graben. Okay, this form of landscape can be seen in rain valley in Europe. In Europe, this we could see block mountains. It is easy to understand also. What is block mountain? Block mountains are created when large areas are widely cracked or broken up by faults and displaced vertically. The uplifted blocks are termed as a host, and lowered blocks are termed as a graben. This form of landscape can be seen in Rhine Valley in Europe. This is what Then okay, this much you understand. Next day what we are going to do is we will discuss with the volcanic mountains. Okay.